How to create vector images in Canva. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up the Canva application. Now wait for some time. Now tap on the plus icon. Now select custom size. Now enter the size of the image. Now tap on create new. Now tap on create new design. Now wait for some time. Now tap on elements. Now search for your design elements. Now add the elements. Now once you're done with your design, tap on the export icon at the top right corner. Now tap on download. Now select the file type. Now select SVG. Now download the SVG file and you are done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.